Hello friends, today we discuss topic Spearman's rank coefficient of correlation. So it is defined as capital R is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square upon n into n square minus 1, where d is equal to rank of first variable minus rank of second variable. And if ranks are repeated, then Spearman's rank correlation coefficient is defined as capital R is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square plus summation cf upon n into n square minus 1, where cf means correction factor and its value is m into m square minus 1 upon 12, where m is number of times rank is repeated. So we take some problems. Type 1 problem. Calculate Spearman's rank coefficient from the following data. So here industry A, B, C, D, E and F. Industries are given. A rank of the suppose industries are given 5, 4, 1, 2, 6 and 3. Then rank of suppose second ranks are also given 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So we have to solve this. So R1 means rank of first judge, then R2 second ranks, five, 4, 1, 2, 6, 3, then second ranks 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here we use first formula because no rank is repeated. So we use first formula R is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square upon n into n square minus 1. So here first we calculate d. D means difference of ranks R1 minus R2. So here 5 minus 6 which is minus 1, then 4 minus 5 which is minus 1, then 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3, then 2 minus 3 which is minus 1, then 6 minus 2 is 4, 3 minus 1 is 2. Then here we require d square, so we calculate d square. Minus 1 square is 1, minus 1 square is 1, minus 3 square is 9, minus 1 square is 1, 4 square is 60 and 2 square is 4. So these are our values of d square. Total means summation d square. Summation d square is 1 plus 1 plus 9 plus 1 plus 16 plus 4. If we add this, we get 32. Okay, so summation d square is 32. Then we use this above formula and find the value of R. So here summation d square is 32. Here summation d square is 32, and how many pairs of observations are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 pairs of observations are given, so value of n is 6. So we use formula R is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square upon n into n square minus 1. So this is our formula. So 1 minus 6 into summation d square is 32 upon n which is 6 into 6 square minus 1 which is 35. So this 6 is cancelled with this 6. So 1 minus 32 upon 35. which is equal to 35 minus 32.35, and if we solve this we get final answer 0.0857. So value of R is 0.0857. So this is our final answer.